Good morning sa tanan. Good morning ni mo diha og ni Sis Bell. Pero mangayo kog pasensya because I think my video is not doing very well as of the moment. Pero I hope madungog lang ninyo gyud na ang akong message karong adlaw because this is very
Okay ra gyud te.
important.
Okay ra gyud te.
Okay, good. Okay,
Madungog ra.
that's good.
Loud and clear.
Thank you, Dong. So again, good morning from a side of the world, diha sa atong mga online friends nga nagtanaw karon, or maybe good evening or good afternoon from wherever you're watching us from, live or on a replay. So I am a nana of two young adults, a care of a stroke or a husband, a nana to five lovely dogs, an ESL teacher on the side, and of course, a proud digital business owner. So ang question dong ba, three things I wish I knew when I first started this business. Murag dili kayo, murag malahi ang ako ang perspective ani. So when I first started this business, to be honest, I didn't really have clear expectations. Kay wala man jud ko idea kung unsa nga business. So I wasn't really thinking this is exactly how my future will look. Nothing like that, di ba? So, ang ako ra gyud ato because I had what I had was trust ra gyud sa akong mentor at that time. So I trusted the person who introduced me to this business, and I came with a willingness to learn, explore, and of course absorb. Try to absorb everything I could. Kay pati jud nagana. So looking back now, there are three things I eventually discovered that completely changed the way I see this journey. Grabe jud ang kanang turn ba, 360 degrees turn. So number one, I discovered that success comes from learning and not from already knowing everything. So kinsa intay kung kay ba siguro tatanandaan no, ambot na lang marag dugan na siguro kay tang na milyonaryo. But sa pagsugod nako, daghan kayo kog daghan kay tag wala nahibaw-an. Okay ra ta, yes, we were exposed to computer like copy and paste. Okay ra jud na. Kanang copy and paste ya himo sa imong sa Facebook nimo kanang cover photo or imong picture butangan nimo picture. But like technology, this kind of technology and online marketing, even going live, this, you know, never jud sa ato ang huna-huna before, di ba? So, ang ako lagi sa una, I just want to have a business. Kung unsa man nga business, anyway, kailaman ko sa akong mentor. So, and I realized, dili di ay kinahanglan expert ka sa sugod, di ba? Dili ta expert aning live, dili ta expert anang unsa ng online marketing, unsa ng digital or unsa pa ng mga kanang parts sa atong business. Ang importante ra gyud ay teachable ka. Teachable ta or willing ra gyud ka makat-on. So number two, I discovered that this is more than just a business. Di ba dong, Sis Belle? This is more than a business. It's a community. Very supportive community. Kanang dili ka mag-expect like when I was working as a teaching assistant, of course, kanang multicultural mga community. So I met mga European people, American, from South Africa, from India, from all over the world. So nagtuo ko atong nawala man ko sa trabaho, so mo shrink ang world. But this wala jud ko magtuo nga like my world will expand. Grabe ang expansion sa akong community. I never expected to become part of a thriving, grabe ka thriving, growing, so thriving organization filled with leaders who genuinely want to help people grow. Like, kung wala pa gyud din ako ma-meet sila, I don't think I will be, I will have this kind of perspective, this kind of mindset, this this courage to go live, dili pa gyud sa social media nga, eh, 'di ba? So, grabe jud pagkausab. And I've met mentors, friends like this, this kanang ako mga kauban karon dong Ryan and Sis Bell and more. More mga Bisaya nga naa diha ra napahipi sa all over the world. And co-business owners from different parts of the world who inspire, encourage, and lift one another. Matod pa sa atong culture, di ba? Madunggan jud na nato nga kanang crab mentality. Grabe kay na karampan sa una. Pero in my world right now, wala na jud na nako wala na ako ma-meet because I'm in a world where people, encourage, inspire, kanang mo push good mo to your success. So that has been one of the greatest blessings of this journey. And the last one, number 3, I discovered that this was the business I had been praying for without. So, katong when I was just, starting as a young parent, katong young parent ko like you dong. So, na ko mga toddlers, ang wish good na ko ato. Or even a prayer and hope na I will have something I can do and earn at home while taking care of the family. So as a wife and a mother, I always hope nga there would be a way to build something meaningful ba while still being present for my family. Di ba doon ka ng manglaba ka, mamilo, magluto, maghugas, magpaligo, di ba? Like toddlers that like you have right now. Like naa kay mga sleepless nights, especially kung masik sila. Dili gud lalim niya mo. What if kung mo work gyapon ka? So dili gud lalim ang role sa mama. So I know how challenging it is to balance work, children, household responsibilities, and everything else that comes with being a woman, Sis Belle, di ba? So looking back, I can honestly say I found the one I had been looking for, not because it's perfect, but because it aligns with the life I wanted to build. A life where I can continue learning, contribute to my family's future, and help empower other mothers to believe that they too can create more choices for themselves. So if you're listening today and wondering if there's something out there that fits the life you want to build, don't be afraid to explore because I've found it. So sometimes the answer to your prayers doesn't arrive exactly the way you imagined. When it does, you'll know why the journey was worth it. And that's it from me, Doing. Thank you so much. And thank you for all the support, kanang, for being so happy for me, for the blessings I received yesterday nga. Grabe ka unexpected nga. Nag-check ko Coach Ella. So thank you for everything. You too. You two are part of my business blessings and my success too. Thank you. And over to you, Dong.